onto the beach. I'm breaking a little rule of mine. I swore years ago that when I had to walk on the beach, I'd never have shoes on my feet. Yeah, I'm not taking my shoes off this morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, 17th of December 2020. It's Atlantic Ocean right here, St. Augustine, Florida. Pretty cool, huh? Sure do miss my metal detector. Sure do miss my metal detector. It's okay, I'll get it back soon enough. Wow. All the seagulls, sea rats, beach rats, sky rats. Man, amazing, huh? It's December on St. Augustine Beach, 2020. Oh, amazing on the road sometimes. Sometimes you feel like people just don't even care anymore. Get beat down by 10,000 people, and then when one person just stops to help you out, it just changes your whole perspective on life. Alright, that's it, guys. Look, no parking on the beach and yield to pedestrians. I'm fixing to sit down here and just enjoy my life for a little while, and then get up and hit the road. Sunset's already occurred. Sunset's over my head here somewhere. Seen all the ships out there. See all the lights flashing, beacons and lighthouses. Sure they're out there. See a light way over yonder. So that's on the bow of a ship. Alright, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching the videos. Have a good day. Be good to yourself and be good to others. Bye.